In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to enable small amount free password payment on Taobao Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business with Taobao. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao, Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to enable a small amount free password payment on Taobao shopping app. So let's begin. So the very first thing we want to do is to simply open up my Taobao shopping app. All right, so the next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to go to my profile. Then take us to this page. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on this setting icon. I'm going to click on that. Then take you right here, okay? Next thing we need to do is to click on here under the pay section. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on here to proceed. Then it's going to connect with your Alipay right here. So bear in mind, before you can activate small payment password free on Taobao, you must have your Alipay fully verified and you must have linked your Alipay with your Taobao account. After you have successfully linked your Alipay with your Taobao account, then the next thing you can do here is to simply click on here to authorize free password payment for any small amount of purchase on Taobao. So with that, each time you want to make a purchase, anything below less than 200 yuan, you will not be required to enter payment password any longer on Taobao, and your payment is going to be automatically successful on Taobao to any Chinese supplier. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable a small amount free password payment on Taobao Chinese shopping app with your Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with Taobao. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao, Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.